friends, welcome back to this thrifting series for all of July. We are heading to the Goodwill in Willard, so let's see what I found. I met two of the sweetest women there. One was visiting from Indiana, and she was with her friend that lives in Huron. So if you ever found my channel, I just want to say hi. I'm so happy that you're here. We had the best time chatting and getting to know each other. Anyway, let's see what I found in Willard. I'd been on the lookout for tapestry pillow. Not quite tapestry. I really like this color. This is by the brand Portofino. I guess I could look that up. It's a really nice quality. The stuffing is a good quality. There, the colors are just slightly lighter, but it would still be very pretty. I don't know if I'll use this which part of the season, maybe even Valentine's Day or a softer Christmas if I do that soft pink Christmas that I mentioned next year. Anyway, this color can go with this year because I'm doing the dark wine. Anyway, yeah. So the reason I bought it was mostly for this side. Even though the lovely women I met said they really like this side. So it made me take another look. But still on the hunt for some tapestry pillows. I saw Krista Meeker on her channel. She had the loveliest pillows I've seen. They are reversible. I looked them up. They're a little bit on the pricey side, so maybe at some point I might invest in them. And until then, I'm just looking for the right colors, the deep tones. See what I can find at the thrift store. If not, who knows? Come Christmas, they may be getting shipped to me if I can't find anything by then. So let's see what else I found there. This picture frame was, oh, and I forgot to say how much this pillow was. I'm sorry. Oh, set this down. This pillow was $1.99, so not bad. Cheaper than they usually are, maybe because it was smaller. Can always use more frames. This was, let me flip it over. They priced it upside down. $1.29. Just a really nice size, 5x7, I think. So you can never have enough frames, especially if you're trying to do gallery walls in every room in your home and have your husband hang up every picture in your home, in every room. He loves it. Okay, let's see what else I found. I'm going to save some of my favorites for the end, as always, so stay to the end, guys. I actually went back for this box. This was, I'll turn it around for you guys, $3.99 for the whole box. And I had left it there. I don't know if I like the sconces that are in here, but maybe I do. Who knows? Sometimes you have to rethink things. Sometimes they don't hit you right away that you like them, even though most things do. But I really loved these little green candlesticks. So I got these. These are already in my dining room being displayed. I took the little plastic thing off because it doesn't fit in there very well. Anyway, I need to add some tea lights, and these were actually, I put these above my yodel next to the little girl with the bunny picture. So I'm just going to set these over here carefully. Yeah, the sweet women that were on vacation there, the one from Indiana, I had shopped and left, and then I turned around to go back for these, and they were leaving at the same time. So it was quite funny. We ended up chatting for a couple more minutes and talking and wished them well. So anyway, I saw them coming and going, but these were there as well. Aren't these pretty? I just love the green. This will be really great for some tablescapes. You know I love my tablescapes. It came with 4 of these candles. I don't really use these, so those are gonna go in my yard sale. I did like the crackled glass. I don't know if that's really vintage, but I thought it was pretty. Anyway, Christmas probably. And the reason I liked this box, let me take these out. Those metal sconces are growing on me. Anyway, these two really cute candle holders. I'm sure they're from India, even though they do not say. Very thick, heavy. These have to be solid brass. Very nice. And there. I'll probably have to take the rubber off of these too. Anyway, I just thought at Christmas time these would look so cute just sitting in some vignettes. Here, I'll give you a close-up of that. Look how pretty that is. And I like it's got that little finger thing. You don't really see that too often. You don't really find it that often. Sometimes people melt these. Maybe I'll see if somebody wants them. Anyway, these are getting better the more I look at them. No markings on these either. But anyway, I already have real brass ones hanging in my living room. And then I also have some I'll have to show you at some point. They're actually a plastic frame, but they're gold. I think I rub and buff them. But they have a little mirror in it, and they hold a little candle, which looks really pretty at Christmas time. It reflects everything. And I had those originally in my living room till I found the solid brass ones, but something might go somewhere. I mean, these would look pretty up here. The ones with the mirrors might go in my bedroom. I don't know. So anyway, these aren't as bad as I thought they were. I don't know why I didn't like them in the beginning. What do you guys think? That whole box with all of the candles and candlesticks, $3.99. So I got a few more things to show you. Well, maybe I'll save my two favorite things for last. I had a few favorite things. I'm not sure which went to what. One of these table runners was $2.99 and one of these was $3.09. They're more of a pashmina. I mean, I might even just drape them over there on my mirror in my dressing room. I have several already. But my initial thought, look at the fringe. So there's like wine and green, a little bit of gold, shimmery. There's this one. And I thought of this one for spring or even fall. No fringe. What I like to do with these is put these down the center of my dining room table, put some little fairy lights underneath it. So anyway, I got these two pashmina table runners. So what do you guys think of these? Kind of pretty? Well, what happened at the Goodwill in Willard, while I was there, they had rolled out a cart. So everything was fresh. And the lady from Indiana and the other one from Huron, they were all going through it. So I kind of backed off a little bit, let them look. And then I came back to it and I'm like, they were loading up their cart. And I'm like, I know there's a lot of good things on there. So we were both kind of looking at this. This may be more farmhouse. I feel like it's a little French. It is ceramic. It's got like a wooden little thing in there. Anyway, this looks cute in several spots in my house. I don't know if it looks vintage necessarily, but possibly, hopefully it isn't mass produced somewhere new. Very heavy though, nice quality, cast iron. This was $2.99. So I thought possibly by my door, in between the two kitchen windows, anywhere it would look cute. So let's get on to my favorite find of the day. Okay, here she is. My sweet new friends from Indiana and Huron saw this in my cart and they were like, oh my gosh, somebody had this in their cart earlier and they were eyeballing it. And when I saw it, it was already on the shelf again. So decently heavy. I don't see where it's made, but $3.99. There we go. So $3.99. Christmas. Can anybody say Christmas? Wow. This is so heavy. I wish there were some markings on it, but super heavy. I just can't resist a good candle holder, vase, pillow, artwork. Help. I need help. Anyway, if you guys thrift, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. It's just so sad to see things just left there that nobody is loving. And sometimes things go with my house and sometimes they'll go with one of my daughter's homes. So either way, at least they find a good home. So I cannot wait to decorate with these things coming up at Christmas time or my tablescapes. I want to thank you guys for coming along with me. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Leave me a sweet comment. Tell me that you came by, and turn on the bell so you won't miss any of the videos that are in this thrifting series. We have several more coming up. That big one from Ashland Fairgrounds, I think I'm saving that for last. That will be a two-parter, so I cannot wait to see you guys for that. I found some of the most beautiful artwork. I've already shared a sneak peek in one of my earlier thrift hauls of a beautiful young girl. She's 16 and it is from 1915. So you don't want to miss that. So I just want to thank you guys again for coming along with me. If you'd like to see more of my home, I will link my cottage tours for you guys. And I will also link my last thrift haul so you don't miss anything in this thrifting series. And for those of you that like projects, we have many projects going on at our timber home. And so since I'm working on the basement, this is what the kitchen looks like. My island still looks beautiful, but I decided I'd put that clock somewhere in my decor. I made some sugar water for the hummingbirds. It's cooling off. And I have 4 bird feeders that all need cleaned off and then filled and then taken outside. Just more random things. My fountain for my bird bath and some random amino acids from Thrive Market. I'm going to make a pork egg roll bowl for tomorrow. And on the side porch, the 2 little bags are from the thrift store. I'm just trying to air them out. I have a beautiful pillow in there and some scarves for some tablescapes I want to make. So now things from the basement are trailing onto the porch, and then they're trailing off the porch. Don't forget to stay tuned. I'm going to insert little snippets of our projects here and there so you can see what we're doing to our 1840s timber home. I also wanted to let you guys know that next week I will be doing a collaboration with Melissa Ringstaff. I am really excited about that. That will be part 1 of my Ashland Fairgrounds sale. I hope you guys are having a very blessed summer. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.